If you're looking to upgrade your Namecheap hosting plan, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. I'll show you where to find the hosting settings inside your Namecheap account, what action to click, and the exact details you need to send to Namecheap Billing and Sales so your upgrade can be processed smoothly. I'll also explain how the prorated billing works so you know what to expect before the migration starts. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software and hosting guides. Let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click Hosting List. This is where all of your hosting services are displayed in one place. Find the hosting plan you want to upgrade, then click the arrow next to that plan and choose Manage. This opens the management area for that specific hosting service. Now look for Account Actions. Again, click the arrow there and select Change Current Plan. At this point, it's important to know that Namecheap does not always complete hosting plan changes directly from the panel without support involvement. Instead, to request a hosting plan change, you need to reach out to the billing and sales team by email at billing@namecheap.com. In your message, make sure you include all of the required details so they can process your request quickly and accurately. First, include your Namecheap username. Next, add your support PIN. Then identify the service you want upgraded. If you're using shared or reseller hosting, include the domain name or cPanel username. If you're upgrading a VPS or dedicated server, include the main IP address. After that, clearly write the desired service plan you want to move to. Also include your preferred billing cycle, such as monthly or annual, depending on what you want for the new plan. Then explain the reason for the plan change. This helps the support team understand your request and verify the upgrade. You should also include the desired time and date for the migration to begin, especially if you want the change to happen at a specific time. Once you send that email, Namecheap will review your request and calculate the prorated difference between your current plan and the new plan. That means they'll figure out how much credit you have left on the current service and how much extra you need to pay for the upgrade. Depending on the calculation, they will either issue an invoice for the difference or credit or refund the remaining amount to your account balance. After that, all you need to do is confirm the upgrade with Namecheap support. Once they receive your confirmation and payment details are handled, they can move forward with the migration. And that's it. You now know how to upgrade Namecheap hosting the right way, from finding the option inside your account to contacting support with the correct information. If this guide saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more hosting tutorials, website tips, and easy step-by-step walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.